This is going to be a short video on how to download the installer for PowerVision for controllers and how to get the software installed. We'll start by opening a browser. I'll open Edge and we'll navigate to the Innovation Controls website. It's just innovationcontrols.com. And on the support section, we'll go to Download Software. And in the middle of the page it says the downloads for the Configuration Studio and Toolkit are available on our Help Center, so we'll just go ahead and click this, noting that an Innovation Controls account is required. I'm already logged into my account, you see up in the upper right hand corner, and then we'll go ahead and select the installer that we want. This can be found on the left side of the screen. There's PowerVision for controllers, and there's PowerVision Configuration Studio, which is for other displays like the PV380, PV485, etc. So I'll click on the PowerVision for controllers, and the latest is at the top, and to download it you just simply click download. Previous versions are available if those are desired. I already have the installer downloaded, so I'll open that up. It's in my downloads folder. The installer is pretty quick and easy. Just double click on the MSI installer file and go through the standard installation procedure using all the default settings. We'll go ahead and accept the license agreement. Continue to click next and install and wait a few seconds, and it is finished. So we'll go to, just to open it, we'll open up our start menu, type in PowerVision for controllers 2.9, and everything's good to go.